Let's do a quick recap of what we've done thus far. Yesterday, we started off with these, where we have a line from the center of a circle that bisects a chord, or that is perpendicular to a chord. So ons het gedoen daai eerste twee stellings. The first one that we did, look at those squigglies. The first one that we did was the one that said the angle at the center of the circle is double the size of the angle at the circle circumference. Die hoek by die middelpunt is dubbel so groot soos die hoek op die sirkelrand wat onderspan word deur dieselfde boog. Toe gaan ons aan, and we're not going to do that now, with this one that says a line from the midpoint of a circle that is perpendicular to a chord bisects that chord. So we had the fact that the line is from the midpoint en ons het geweet hy is loodreg op die koord, so dan lei jy af, hy halveer die koord. Toe het ons hom net 'n bietjie verander en gesê nou het ons 'n lyn wat die koord halveer en loodreg is op die koord. We have a line that bisects the chord and is perpendicular to a chord, and then what we could deduct is that that point O must then be the midpoint. Get a lot of these. Some examples of that. So you just half the 84 and double the 35. Here we did the same thing, but we worked with the fact that the radius of a circle is always equal. So ons gewerk met gelykbenige driehoeke. And this is the one that we did yesterday. That an angle in a half a circle, a triangle in half a circle, is always a right angle triangle. So as jy weet, dit is die middellyn, the diameter, then the angle that it forms on the circle circumference has to be a 90-degree angle. Okay, dit was net deur die ene gegaan. So today we're starting with this one. On that page of notes that I handed out with the reasons, you'll see him there. Hy lyk of hy 'n striktassie is. It looks like a little bow tie. Wat sê die hoeke wat onderspan word deur 'n boog of 'n koord in dieselfde sirkelsegment is gelyk. So if two angles are being subtended by the same chord, it means that they are equal to one another. So all of those angles are being subtended by that arc. Do you guys agree? Almal van hulle teken ons van hierdie punt en daai punt af. So they're all being subtended by the same chord, so all of them will be equal in size. This is actually just a extension of the one that we did about the angle in the midpoint of the circle being double. Okay, good. There's another one. X and X are being subtended by this. But also Y and Y will be equal to one another because they are both subtended by this arc. Or you can draw in a chord. Dit maak nie saak of dit 'n koord of 'n boog is nie. So kyk daarna soos 'n striktassie. Sometimes the bow tie isn't very symmetrical, but it's still a little bow tie. So do you guys see this bow tie is not very symmetrical? This one. Not a very symmetrical bow tie, but it is still a bow tie. En as al vier sy hoekies op die sirkelrand lê, all four of these angles on the circle circumference, then the corners. Then this one will be equal to this one, and that one will be equal to that one. So the two opposite corners of the bow tie will be equal to one another. Okay, so ek gaan soek altyd vir die striktassie daar, dit maak dit bietjie makliker. Maar belangrik, die striktassie se hoeke moet almal op die sirkelrand lê. You can't have one here hanging in the middle. So let's look at this one for instance. Will that one work? No, because this angle is not on the circle circumference. Sien julle saam? So ons kan nie die stelling op hom toepas. Let me just clean this up because else the slides are going to be a mess. Okay, find the unknown angles in each case. Hoe groot gaan hoek X wees? 38 angles in the same circle segment. Afrikaanse rede is hoek in dieselfde sirkelsegment.
Dan is nie die jammer vir die onderbreking. Uit 882 en 811 moet nou na die hospitality kitchen gaan vir die practical. 882, 811 must come to the hospitality kitchen for the practical from 11:30.
Beide die hoek X en die hoek Y, both angles X and Y will be equal to 38 because you see there's a bow tie. Like that. But this one is also a bow tie. Like that. Hulle almal word onderspan deur dieselfde boog. Hulle almal lê op die sirkelrand, so hulle almal is gelyk aan mekaar. Good? Okay. In the other one, don't be confused. X goes with the 30. The X goes with the 30 and the Y goes with the 40. Dan sien julle die X lê aan dieselfde kant van die striktas en die Y en die 40 lê aan dieselfde kant van die striktas. So they go together. Okay. I'm going to stop with that one for now.